karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So guys, this is UST Paracuda FS machete. So today I'll unbox it and we will do basic overview of this product. So guys, before I open it, I would like to tell you, like, I paid about 20 Omani Reals for it, which is equivalent to 55 American dollars. After buying it, I checked it online. So like, this product is available online at much lower price. Okay, so now let us take it out and let us see how this thing feels. So guys, I took it out of the packing. So this is the contents of the box. So it comes with this machete, okay, and it comes with the fire starter, and it comes with this sheath. Okay, so guys, coming to the machete, so you can see it has a sharp edge, and on the other side it has that saw edge, so you can use to cut woods, and this is a sharp edge which can be used to chop off. If you are camping, it can be used to chop off some branches and all that. Okay, so and it comes with this paracord handle. Okay, so guys, this paracord is about 9 feet long, so you can use it in emergency situations. Otherwise, it is a single solid piece, and it comes with this paracord handle. And guys, the thickness of this blade is about 3 mm. Okay, and it has this black oxide finish, so which can protect it against rust and things like that. Okay, so guys, this is UST Paracuda FS machete. Okay, so guys, now I am inside, so I cannot do a detailed review of it. Okay, so just this was an unboxing video. So soon I'll be uploading a detailed review of this. We'll take it outdoors and we will use it. But guys, right now I'm holding it in my hand. Okay, so the grip of this machete, okay, I would like to tell you, like, is not very good. Okay, so you feel it kind of slips from your hand. Okay, so this is UST Paracuda FS machete. Okay, so this is the sheet, and I think this fire starter, it goes in here like this, and sheath has a button here and a velcro here to hold your machete at the place, and a button here. Okay, so simply I think it goes inside like this, and you can lock it using this and using this button. So right now I cannot, but you can. Okay, so guys, this is Paracuda FS machete. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more EDC reviews and knife reviews, and all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.